Meaning of exaggerate.
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 Exaggerate. The word exaggerate refers to the act of overemphasizing or overstating something beyond its actual importance, often with the intent of making it more dramatic or interesting. When someone exaggerates, they make something seem more significant or extreme than it really is, which can lead to a distortion of reality. This can result in misunderstandings, miscommunications, and even deception, as people may take the exaggerated information as truth. In summary, exaggeration is the act of amplifying or magnifying something to make it appear larger or more important than it actually is.